Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is October 20th, 2024, and we've got some fascinating stories lined up for you. From groundbreaking advancements in surgical technology to intriguing insights into AI models and a personal journey from Android to iPhone, there's plenty to discuss. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into the world of medical technology, where surgeons at the University of California, San Diego, are pioneering the use of Apple Vision Pro mixed reality headsets in minimally invasive surgeries. Over 20 operations have been performed using these headsets in the past month. Santiago Horgan, a leader in robotic-assisted surgeries, believes the Vision Pro could transform surgical practices by enhancing effectiveness and reducing risks. The headsets allow surgeons to access vital information like CT scans and patient vitals without diverting their gaze from the surgical site, addressing a common discomfort among surgeons. The Vision Pro, priced at $3,499, is considered cost-effective compared to traditional monitors, making it an attractive option for smaller hospitals. Christopher Longhurst, UC San Diego's Chief Clinical and Innovation Officer, predicts these headsets will become a staple in operating rooms worldwide. While other companies are developing similar systems, the Vision Pro's adaptability and high-resolution capabilities make it stand out. However, as these devices become more integrated into medical practices, concerns about patient privacy and data security remain critical. Switching gears to the realm of artificial intelligence, recent studies from Apple and OpenAI have highlighted significant flaws in large language models, particularly in reasoning capabilities and bias. Apple's research, led by Mehrdad Farajtabar, reveals that LLMs often rely on pattern matching rather than true reasoning. Experiments showed that adding irrelevant details to math problems significantly reduced accuracy, indicating a lack of genuine understanding. Meanwhile, OpenAI's report points out biases in ChatGPT's responses based on user identity, with a small percentage reflecting harmful stereotypes. Although only 0.1% of responses contain such biases, it underscores the need for ongoing improvements in AI systems. Both studies emphasize the challenges in achieving robust reasoning and fairness, suggesting a re-evaluation of current training methods to enhance AI's reasoning abilities and reduce biases. Finally, let's explore a personal reflection on the transition from Android to iPhone. The author shares their decade-long experience with Android phones, starting with the HTC Dream, and contrasts it with their recent switch to an iPhone. Initially, Android was praised for its openness and flexibility, but over time, it has become more restrictive, especially with the shift from Nexus to Pixel devices. This change has led to limitations on app capabilities, similar to those in iOS. The author argues that both platforms have evolved into ecosystems where user control is limited, akin to gaming consoles. Ultimately, the author prefers Apple due to its focus on product sales rather than user data for targeted ads, aligning more closely with their personal interests. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights into the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.